How to fix Windows 11 update error problems. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run and type services.msc. Click on Enter or simply click on OK. You'll find this kind of screen pop up, which is Services. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update and you'll find all these options pop up. Simply right click and click on the option which is Properties. After clicking on Properties, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, in Startup type, make sure it's Automatic Delayed Start. Simply click on Apply and then OK. Again, right click on Windows Update and click on Restart. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Refresh it and you're good to go. That's how to fix Windows 11 update error problems. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.